Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to merge two Facebook pages. According to the Facebook Help Center right here, that you can merge two Facebook pages as long as they have basically the same name, same address, and same business manager account. So the page that you want to merge is from a primary page and you want to actually merge it, you will have to do it into their global pages. So a verified page into a page that isn't verified is you cannot merge that both. So you can merge your pages basically by logging into Facebook and then look into your profile and then right here your page's profile, settings and privacy, settings in the left, page setup, merge pages, click view and merge multiple pages, and then you'll have to request it. So you can also go here directly to this www.facebook.com/pages/merge, and it will actually go and show you that. So it says error in mine because I don't have a page in my own Facebook account. That's why it's not showing up right here. But I will leave this link right here for you guys to actually just use it in your page merging. So that's how basically you merge two pages in Facebook.